All right, another Fabric Tech Friday. I wanted to cover parts that has been epoxy primed using our 1600 epoxy primer. Once you've primed them, they're ready for paint, but here's just a little tip. The next day, if you'll take some Scotch pad or something and run down these, they'll have a fine little grit to them, or if you feel anything at all. A lot of these parts doesn't really matter because they're kind of hidden away. But if you'll go ahead and use something like a Scotch pad and just work each one of these out smooth, and then take something like a Zep glass cleaner and paper towel, wipe them down afterwards to get the particles that you've moved around, and then tack rag them with a tack cloth. With that little extra effort, these things will come out like you just dipped them in glass. I mean, they'll come out perfect versus something that's just shiny and black. It just puts an extra shine to things. So it's just a few parts, like when you look off into a J3, the torque tube and everything. Just this little extra work will make it look a lot nicer when it's all in the finished product.